Hi, in this video, we will compare Mangools and SimilarWeb. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO, and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, SimilarWeb is a tool that estimates the total amount of traffic different websites get. It allows you to see competitors' top traffic sources, broken down into 6 major categories. With research intelligence, you can keep track of market changes, benchmark your performance, and generate audience insights to make the right, data-driven decisions. Digital marketing intelligence recognizes your competitors' marketing strategies. You can identify and respond to market changes faster. Sales intelligence is uniquely built for selling to online businesses. Pinpoint the accounts most likely to turn into revenue, then outshine your competitors to win and retain their business. Stock intelligence helps you to analyze and invest using the most insightful digital alternative data. Shopper intelligence helps you grow your online marketplace business. Uncover consumer shopping behavior to optimize your brand's performance. SimilarWeb offers a 7-day free trial, and paid plans start at $125 per month. If you want to use both Mangools and SimilarWeb for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.